Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to integrate and translate your WooCommerce store with Weglot. The process is very simple, doesn't require any coding, and only takes a few minutes. So, let's get started! First, go to WooCommerce Marketplace and search for Weglot. Click on Add to Store, and follow the checkout process by clicking on Place Free Order. Once done, click on Add to Store again, and then you'll just need to select the store where you'd like to install the Weglot extension. In our example, we want to install Weglot on our demo store, so let's select it. Weglot is now installed on your website. The last step of the setup is to add your API key. To get your API key, log into your Weglot account or create one for free if you don't already have one yet. Create a project and copy the API key given in the setup step and paste it into this field. Then, set the original language of your site, in our case it's English, and add the languages into which you'd like to translate your site into. Let's translate our website into French. And that's it! Let's check our multilingual store. You'll see a language switcher appear at the bottom right of your website, allowing visitors to switch between languages. You can customize the style of your switcher or change its position in your Weglot dashboard. You'll also notice that your translated pages are now displayed under language-specific URLs. As you navigate through your site in the translated languages, your translations will be generated in your Weglot dashboard. You can also sync the URLs you want to translate in bulk and generate the translations faster. Once translations are generated, you can edit them yourself, with teammates, or order professional translations. Let's go back to our Weglot dashboard to see how. First, click on the language pair you want to edit and make changes directly on this translation list. These changes will be instantly live on your website. You can also use the visual editor to make changes directly on a live preview of your website. If you prefer to keep your translations private while you work on them, you can go back to the languages list and switch off the Make Public option here, and switch it on when you're ready. If you need help at any point, don't hesitate to contact us at support@weglot.com. You can also join our Weglot Fast Track training, discover other videos on our channel, or visit our Help Center. You can find all the mentioned resources and links in the descriptions. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorial.